my PC off. Look at that. Hold on. I'll plug this so I get some light at this one. Hold on. How dark is it? Pretty much. Use power. I still got light. I want dark so I can see it. I got some light. There we go. Power goes out, it's still on. The camera will give me so light. I won't be packed. This stick goes over here. I'll get that later. Can you see it? It's not very long. It's not far as bad as it's supposed to be, but it's severe. And I don't think we probably won't get it. I like it in the dark. No, I probably see. It's like down there already. Can I put my camera down for a minute? It's my dog. Here's the wind. Little bit of wind. You can't see the trees because it's nighttime. That's the air conditioner. There's my dog down here. Talk about 50-mile winds. Doesn't matter what one. You can't see it, but you can hear it, right? That air conditioner goes off. I can hear it. Okay, there we go. Damn, it's like already? Not gonna be a bad one then. I thought it's better than I thought, but I don't think it's not. I thought it's better than I thought. But looks to me, I do not think so. I don't think so. There's no lightning back there. Down here is. It was a big old weird stuff and die out. All that's just die out. I don't know what causes though, but it's probably about we got more storms on Thursday. I don't know when. All it has is wind. All I can see is wind. It's supposed to be gusty overnight. No. It's not supposed to get gusty around 2 in the morning. It's like 12:50. It was very bad in Chicago, but it died a whole thing out. Somehow. There's a transformer back there. You can see it grooving, but now I don't think so. You see it grooving like it did the last time. All hell break loose. Tomorrow morning's gonna be windy. I thought it's bad where it's supposed to be, but it's not. It's just rain and wind. Thunder possible. My radio say on the super thunderstorm one, but it's not looking nothing severe. You can't see nothing. You can see. I'm looking at the trees. You can hear it. Part 2 of the storm will be part 3.